Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel at Sarah Tourist. I'm super excited to be here, guys, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're my beautiful returning subscriber, thank you so much. And guys, today we are in wonderful distillers. So guys, here they make local alcohol where they make from sugar. As I've been telling you, here we grow a lot of sugarcane, and of course we have sugarcane machines and the alcohol out of it. Guys, this is the video I want to show you today because my grandpa really loves this alcohol and I want to show you how we make it. Anyways guys, let us go and see how they do that. Hi family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As I had told you in the beginning that today we are in Wandago. The place is called Waragi, and we are here, guys. If you know that road when you're coming from Jinja to Uganda, that in the middle from Kakira, this is the place. And guys, it smells so nice. Yeah, I can't wait to taste this alcohol. It's really smelling so nice. And guys, right now behind me, these are the tanks of my license. They told me still in English they are called my license. Guys, comment down below what are the names of these things. Are they really called my license in English? Some like sukari bulu. Comment down below what are the names, the sukari bulu in English. I want to know more about that. And these are the tanks. Inside here there is my license, and this my license, it's brown, some like black in color. As you can see, this one is the edges is here. So like you open up, I have found when they have closed, they have already poured them in the drum, but I'm going to show you how they really look. They remove all these plastic bags and get 1 jerrycan and a half, and they put them inside here. Guys, as you can see, they are very thick. See, so they have to mix in water. You see? Yeah, just like that. So you have to mix. Guys, like after buying these things, because we buy them from the factory, after buying them, you have to come pour here 1.5 jerrycans of my license in the paper, and again you add in water. Come and see this water. Guys, you add in water, you add in like 4.5 jerrycans of big water, and after that you mix. Just like this, you mix it so that water can be mixed with the license together, because the license is thick, so you have to mix it. And yeah, after here I'm going to show you where you can keep them for 3 to 4 days for it to ferment perfectly. You know, guys, I hope you're enjoying, I hope you're loving it. Guys, do you take alcohol? Do you make these things in your local villages? Is this people get money from this alcohol? Do you have anyone who takes alcohol? My grandpa really loves it, and he doesn't take that much, but yeah, he takes a little, and I'm just hoping when I go back home I'll surprise him with it, and I know he'll be super excited. But yeah, let us go and see how the fermented one look like. Yeah, let us go. So hi guys, right now we are going inside to see the peppers, which are already finished to mixed with water, and they have sit for like 2 to 3 days. I want to show you the whole process. Like right now, let us go inside and show you. So hi guys, as you can see in there, this one means they are still in the process. They are there, they have sit there for like 2 days to 1 day, just like that. And as you can see, this one is starting to be fermenting, you see. But I want to show you the exact fermented thing. Come and see here, guys. See, if the fume, if like the fume is now down, you see, this is ready to be cooked, and we are going to take some from here and put it in the paper, and we start boiling. You know, guys, I hope you're enjoying the process. This is how exactly it looks. Firewood, as you can see here, down here, this firewood is the one that they use to boil the things, the alcohol. Firewood is really basically important, water and the energy. So guys, right now I want to take you where they are boiling. We have missed something, like we did not come early in the morning as they are starting the process. So I just want to take you through when it's just on fire, just like here. Don't have firewood, of course you have to use this sugarcane, the leftovers from the sugarcane. It really works well, as you can see here. can see here, by this one, you have to keep on, you have to be here fully, like, you don't have to leave it for a minute because they go faster. You know, they are very weak, they go faster. But if for firewood, you can put it there for like 20 minutes and then come back to check. You see? So hi guys, we are just from where they were using the dry sugar cane, but right now these people, they are using firewood, and the good thing about firewood that you can put them inside and you can sit for like 30 minutes. When this firewood, they don't go very quick. So guys, right now I just want to go and explain what is taking place here. You know, guys, they are right now, they are fermenting, they are cooking, they are distilling, they are cooking. Yes. Yeah, so right now guys, it is like this. After like you have mixed, they have sit for like 3 days, you have to put in the fire and you have to make sure that the fire is very strong. Like here, this is the molasses mixed with water and they have sit for 3 days. After cooking in this, it's called oluseke in Lusoga. Is it a tube? Yeah, it's a tube. In this tube there is the fume just going into this water to make the fume cold turn into water. As you can see here, guys, I want to show you how, like, to see if it's really good alcohol. And by the way, guys, this, oh, it is going out. So guys, as you can see inside here, inside here there is a sponge. It's the one used for filtering. It filters to remove the anyway, this is enough. So guys, they are saying, of course I have to do the sample, and and I just want you to do this sample, and the smell is a mix of alcohol and something good, which is spirit. Oh! This is so heavy.
You add.
So guys, this is hard. It really tastes, it smells nice, you know. But I want to take it again. Maybe when I reach home. But right now this is enough. So guys, this is the process, and this alcohol, it's used in so many things. They can be used in making the spirits which used to heal the wounds and to do the sanitizer. Guys, if you drink this one, they have told him if you drink this one, no corona. So in this place there's no corona stuffs. And me too, I have already took my vaccine. This is my vaccine and I will no longer get any corona, you know. But anyway, thank you so much for coming and also for drinking. Thank you so much for joining my family. Thank you so much for being here. You're just part of me. You're part of this family. Guys, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're my beautiful returning subscriber, ya Allah, thank you so much for coming. This is alcohol. This is my bread. This is where people get money from. People are rich through this, and people enjoying to drink this. I have enjoyed, though I can't take it near them right now. Yeah, it is very hot. Here it can just say shh. That's why they say that this is not good for people who are 18 years and below, you know. Yeah, I wish I was 19, but right now as I'm 18, I won't take it until I turn 19. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for coming, for checking me, for loving me, and have a blessed day. Thank you so much for yesterday's live. I really enjoyed. And yeah, please guys, don't forget to go and check on my brother's channel at Kim Nathan. UG, please go there, show some love, you know. He's cameraman right, he's my cameraman right now, and I'm enjoying. Hey, my beautiful people. So, guys, as you can see here, you can think these people they are suffering, or they are poor, or they don't have money. But honestly, one jelly can is for like $14 USA dollars. This is quite money. These people they have taught their kids, they have built beautiful houses, they can buy food. They are not suffering. They are happy. You know, when I was talking to them, they seemed to be very happy, and they told me here that, like, I think maybe 3% of the people here, they are the one who can drink this alcohol. By the rest, they just cook it. It's just more like a business, you know. So people enjoying. And guys, it's time for us to go home. And yeah, see us home. So hey guys, yeah, we bought like 1 liter just from here, and they gave us something more. I want to take for my grandpa and other people in my village who enjoy it, because yeah, this is like they enjoy taking it. I know it's not good, but if someone enjoys doing it and it's haven't affected them so, like for a long time, it's good to give it to them. So yeah, I'm going to give them, and yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming back, for loving me, for checking, and for subscribing. Please, guys, road to 3,000 subscribers. Okay, thank you so much for coming, and yeah, have a blessed day. Bye bye. Reached home, and I have brought this for my grandpa. Guys, I won't bring this full 1 liter jerry can for him. Of course, I'll be bringing him little. I'm going to tell him drink this for like 3 to 4 days to see how like will he maintain it or not. So yeah, let me take it to him. Dad, they wanda go. They wanda go. Na koma anti kano. Oja kenda. Nkoze bulungi. Eh. So grandpa, olibona kano. Nakuyina. Nakukatini, katini.
O testing yako ku even. Osobola ko testing yako ku wabona kaoma.
Mwena testinga ku. Eh. Eh. Nawo. So guys, as you can see, he is very happy. He said he knows it, and he's keeping it there to be cold, as you can see. So anyways, guys, yeah, I'm just happy that he loved it. As you know, I'm going to give him slowly say that he can't drink it all at the same time. And what I know, he's a responsible person. Like, even if you give him money, he doesn't just go and buy and sleep there. No, he buys, take it home, and drink it when he's just in his bed, which is really beautiful of him. And don't forget to do what? Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.